OPEN stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is Opendoor stock a buy? I'll be breaking all that down in this very brief and short 1-minute video. Now, looking at things with Opendoor, I'm genuinely just looking to take it further up. I mean, I'm open to taking it up. It's just that I was waiting for like a double break, and I've been waiting a lot. You know, I waited from $2, now it's $2.42. It's just, man, that I'm not gonna randomly start buying in all seriousness. So pre-market is a bit lower. That's what I like to see. You know, I have a lot of receipts with Opendoor in my Discord. I'm telling you, like 45 receipts is just nuts. But yeah, it just never gave me kind of the second rate that I wanted to see. But on the lower time frame, this makes a crap ton of sense. And how things are going to be looking like is if it does pull down and gives me a shift, then you bet I'm looking to buy, you know what I mean? So it's about being patient. And I know I always say this, but welcome to trading. Trading is 98% just you showing up to draw, and then just 2% trading, like generally speaking. So that's how OPEN is looking like. I do have, if you want to stay tuned and get free stock picks and emails to make more, click the first link in the description. It's free.